Video I'll show you a Microsoft Excel clone editor that I developed directly in the browser. So I've also deployed this tool on the website as well. I've also given the link in the description of this video. So this is the actual interface which looks something like this. So whenever you land on this, you have this alert message. Would you like to start with a new blank spreadsheet? So once you click OK, that Excel file will automatically be created for you. So now we have interface of similar Microsoft Excel, as you can see right here. So here you can fill out the data that you want to do. So it's very simple right here. So you can basically fill out some sample data here. So after filling it out, you also have the download button as well. So once you click the download button, that Excel file will get downloaded and automatically saved right here. So you can see the Excel file is automatically created for you, and it's very easy. So I entirely built in this project in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I've given the link in the description of this video. So this is the project here. It's having a single index.html file right here, and as you can see, it's around about 700 lines of code. So the link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code. So after you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive, and it's very easy to run this project. You come to VS Code and open this project inside local server. So once you open this, the interface will look similar to this. So again, you fill out the sample data, and also if you have an existing Excel file as well, we also given this option, open file option. So click that button, and if you already have some Excel file that you want to edit, you can load that file, and automatically all the data will get loaded here. You will see these are the column names, these are the different rows. You can modify this or add some additional data. It's very simple. So it will save you a lot of time, because no longer you don't need to use Microsoft Excel. Instead, you can use this web application, which is completely free, fast, offline, which runs entirely in the browser. So again, you click download button and everything will be updated for you, as you can see that. So if you don't have Microsoft Excel, no problem. You can purchase this web application that I developed. The link is given in the description. Definitely check out the demo before purchasing it. I've given it at the checkout page, so there is no problem in getting to the demo. So it's entirely, as you can see in VS Code, it's entirely built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for this, we are using this XLS library, which is completely open source, which is a JavaScript based library for editing Excel files directly in the browser. So this is it's also called as Sheet.js. It's also having this node package as well, as you can see. The command is very simple, npm xls to install this. It's having almost 5 million downloads. So we are using this. So very simple but yet powerful application. So here you can just see it also shows you additional information, how many sheets you are creating, how many cells, 4 by 3, all of this you can do this. And if you want to create a new Excel file, you click the new button, and right here you can fill out whatever data. You can do this. You can just see here, so how fast and easy it is. So it's entirely a single page application. All the processing happens directly in the browser, so no server side code is involved. So the application is really fast. So whenever you try this, it will also be really fast inside your laptop or computer as well. So definitely try this. I've given the link in the description of this video.